Hello and welcome to the Stars of Physics. How are you? I hope that all of you are doing well. In this video we shall see how to test a diode with the help of digital multimeter. So I will call it as a diode testing. Now if you see a diode, then its symbol is given by this one. This is anode and this is cathode. Now if you see a diode directly, then what happen? In that case you can see this is the diode. I had soldered it on the tag board. So there is no it is of not like this, okay, it is like this, and there is a silver colored ring here. Actually now I am drawing it with this violet color, but it's a silver colored ring. So meaning of silver colored ring is that end is cathode, and obviously the other end will be the anode. Okay. Now if we connect this anode to the positive terminal of a digital multimeter and cathode to the negative terminal, then in that case the diode is forward biased. And when diode is forward biased, the value of resistance is low. Resistance is low, very low, actually it is very low. It will be 300 or 500 ohm or even less than that actually. So this will be the value. And when we connect this negative terminal, negative of this digital multimeter to the anode and positive to the cathode, okay, remember this side is the anode side and this side is the cathode. So negative I am connecting to anode and positive I am connecting to cathode, then in that case the diode will be reverse biased and the resistance will be what? Very high. It will have very high resistance. So we will test this very high. Actually ideally it should be infinity, but it will be very high, actually of the order of some mega ohms. Now I have this diode soldered here on this tag board. So I will just show these connections with the help of a digital multimeter. Now how to use a digital multimeter, I had made a separate video. I will put its link in the I button if you want to see that video. So you have to go just to this diode symbol here, and after going to diode symbol I will connect this plus terminal here and minus terminal over here. So you can see that the resistance value here we can measure is nothing but 558 ohm. So that means what? This is very low, that is it is approximately 0.5 kilo ohm or so. And if we connect it in the reverse biased mode, now this is the forward biased mode. Now if I connect it in the reverse biased mode, then we will see what will be the value of this resistance, value of this diode resistance of this diode. Now you can see that in the digital multimeter we just see here 1 only. So this meaning of 1 is nothing but what? This is very high. So that means the resistance is infinity. So the forward biased resistance of a diode is very low and the reverse biased resistance is infinity, that is very large. I hope that you understand this, how to test a diode using a digital multimeter. If you have any difficulties, then do ask me in the comment section. I will definitely help you in that regard. Do like, subscribe, share and comment if you find these videos useful. Thank you very much.